Zach here with ECUMaster USA, and today I'm excited to share with you our new ADU harness. This is for the non-auto sport versions of the ADU. We've got an ADU5 and ADU7. This harness arrives to you complete, ready to plug in. It's a 3-wire connection to your chassis, very easy to install, and we make it in-house here at ECUMaster USA or Wholesale Horsepower. So this is a WHP branded product. We've got all brand new equipment. Every harness is high pot tested. All splices are done with an ultrasonic splice machine. I mean, we put every bit of quality we can into this harness while using materials that are pretty reasonably priced. So it's gonna be TXL wire, split loom. If you need to get into the harness to add or remove anything later, you can, but you shouldn't need to because we made this super easy to install with pre-terminated connector for your auxiliary connections for extra inputs and outputs. 2 buttons, you can repurpose these for almost anything you like. I like to use them for page changes, resetting a warning, or setting your start line for lap timing. DB9 connection, this is for our USB to CAN, so that's for the laptop connection to program the display. If you want to use the logging features of the ADU, which I highly recommend, you just plug in an appropriate USB flash drive, give you this nice panel mat fastener, so you can swap your flash drives when you make a driver change, pull it out in a pit stop, look at your data. You don't have to wait for it to transfer, just pop the drive out, plug it in your laptop, and look at your logs. We've got the CAN bus connection. It's 2 wires, CAN high, CAN low. That's to connect to your ECU, or if you have a factory ECU, we've got an adapter for your OBD2 connector. It is pre-wired for the ECUMaster GPS to CAN. So if you want the functions of predictive lap timing, GPS to CAN with the IMU, that means accelerometer, yaw, everything, plug it into this guy, no extra wiring needed, just install it and away you go. Really simple connections for power, switch power, and ground. So it's a 3-wire connection to get this dash functional. We give you a fuse holder for that. We give you connectors and terminals for all the mating connectors. Again, everything's really in the box. Makes your life super simple. Everything's got these beautiful printed wraparound labels. You know exactly what each connector is. And that's it. Just a super nice harness, save you a lot of time, and offered at a reasonable price. You can find it, as always, at ECUMasterUSA.com or any North American ECUMaster dealer.